I'm going to show you in this video how you can create a task and assign it to a specific contact and then have that task show up in the contact record. So what we're going to do here real quick, I'm going to show you in a couple tabs. Right, so I got Jason Lang here pulled up, no existing tasks. So I'm just going to go here and create test task. Okay. I'm going to use these three dots here. It says assign client, but we're going to be changing that to where it says assign contact. Make it easier. So let's do a search for Lang. Go and go ahead and hit save. So now you're going to see that the task card has been created. If I come over here, and if I refresh, you're going to find that the task is created here. Okay. So now that I'm going to show you here is what if you've created a contact card, then you need to assign a contact to it. So it's not a problem. So open the contact card, create edit, and then right here. So again, we're going to change this to contacts, and you're going to see that you can assign a contact to it. So that's how you take care of that. Assign a contact, hit submit, save it, and away you go.